Yeah, we need, aside from the veterans, like what you said, we also need young players to give the energy. Even when the veterans are out, then they give another dimension to our game. It also challenges the veterans to play as hard as the young ones do, and vice versa also. So, it's a good mix of veterans and the younger ones. Siyempre, alam natin na may ilang yung practice time nila. Nandun pa rin naman yung sistema nila, hindi nagbabago. Pero, siyempre, coming off yung championship, tapos ilang araw lang nakapag-practice. Pero, may kasabihan nga yung hangover sa championship. May ganun talaga eh. But in due time, makaka-recover din naman. Swerte nga rin kami na sila yung first game namin, medyo nakakapa pa sila. So, ano rin kami, na-timing din.